Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off Google Discover. So this is a Google Discover. So I will show you how we can turn off this. First, tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Go to settings, tap here. Here you can see the option add media page to home screen. Google Discover. Tap here. Done. So now I have disabled Google Discover. Let me verify. See, now it's not showing. So this way we can turn off Google Discover. Next I will show you how we can turn on. Again, tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Go to settings. Tap here. Done. So now I have enabled Google Discover. Let me verify. See. Now it's coming. So this way we can turn off or on Google Discover. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.